Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today we're diving into the heart of Canada's largest city, Toronto. Whether you're a long-time resident or a first-time visitor, there's no better way to explore this vibrant metropolis than through a guided walking tour. Get ready to uncover the rich history, diverse culture, and countless attractions that make Toronto truly special. Let's kick things off by highlighting why a guided walking tour is the ultimate way to experience Toronto. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the city's landmarks, architectural wonders, and hidden gems. Our tours are led by knowledgeable guides who are passionate about Toronto's history and culture. They'll be your companions on this journey, introducing you to the city's iconic landmarks and attractions. And speaking of landmarks, you won't miss out on Toronto's most iconic spots. From the towering CN Tower to the revered Hockey Hall of Fame and the fascinating Royal Ontario Museum, we've got it all covered. But we don't stop there. Toronto is a city of diverse neighborhoods, each with its unique charm. Explore the colorful streets of Chinatown or shop your heart out on trendy Queen Street West. There's something for everyone. Beyond the sights, a guided walking tour is an enriching experience. Our guides will share insider info, fascinating stories, and the city's vibrant culture, history, and architecture. You'll leave with a deeper understanding of Toronto. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready to discover the wonders of Toronto, a guided walking tour is an absolute must-do activity. Whether you're a local looking to learn more about your city, or a visitor eager to explore, book your tour today and get ready to see the very best of this vibrant metropolis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are about Toronto's hidden treasures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wandering the streets of this amazing city.